In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report traffic accidents and speed traps on Google Maps. First, open Google Maps and start turn-by-turn navigation to your destination. While navigating, tap the report button on the screen. Depending on your device, it may appear as a speech bubble or a plus icon. Next, select the type of incident you want to report. Choose crash to report a traffic accident or speed trap to report a speed check location. Google Maps will then submit the report and share it with other drivers in the area, helping keep navigation information up to date. If you don't see the report button, make sure you're using the latest version of Google Maps, are signed into your Google account, and have navigation actively running. You can also try restarting the app or checking for updates. Keep in mind that incident reporting isn't available in all countries and regions, so the feature may not be supported in your location. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.